Welcome. In this quick and simple guide, we're going to walk through how you can edit the name of a community on WhatsApp. Whether you just created a new group of chats or you want to refresh an existing community with a better name, you'll know exactly how to do it by the end of this video. Let's jump right in. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you have the latest version so everything looks and works just right. Once you're on the home screen, look down at the bottom of the screen. You'll see several tabs. Tap on the one labeled Communities. This is where all your community chats and updates live. Now, scroll through and select the community whose name you want to change. Once you're inside, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three small dots. Go ahead and tap them. From the list of options that appears, select Community Info. You'll now be taken to the information page for your community. Here you'll find details like the name, description, and linked groups. To make your change, tap on Edit Community Info. Then tap directly on the current name of your community. This will open the editing field. Go ahead and type in the new name you'd like to use. Take a moment to double check the spelling and make sure it fits the purpose or vibe of your community. When you're satisfied, confirm the change by hitting Save or OK, depending on your device. That's it. You've successfully updated your community name on WhatsApp. It's a quick fix that helps keep your groups organized and easy to recognize, especially if you manage several communities at once. Now, you know exactly how to edit a community name on WhatsApp in just a few taps. Keep exploring your app for more updated features that make communication smoother and more connected than ever. Thanks for watching.